Welcome back, lovely student. Today we are going to continue the lecture Conservation. It is for class 8. First part have already been uploaded on YouTube. Learn Science with Yasir Azam. You can go there and check this. Now today we will be studying the second part. We will be starting with loss of biodiversity. In previous video, let us recapitulate something. We had discussed about the deforestation, definition of biodiversity, and what is wildlife. How deforestation was affecting the wildlife and it was affecting the biodiversity, and what may be caused. It will lead to loss of biodiversity. What is biodiversity? You know, variability and variety of the organisms living on a area. And you know, we must be knowing about IUCN. Everybody knows about it. It is International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. According to its report, every day we are losing 3 species, which is really alarming and which is a pathetic situation. We can overcome it by understanding basics of the science and how we can, recreate a better earth by plantation. You know, in schools or different offices, most of the time there is a plantation program in school. We take it for granted, अरे ऐसे ही है, पेड़ लगाना है बस. But if we take it sincerely, we can, nurture it very well. Okay, so what is a species? Types of a type of plant or animal, and a plant and an animal may have different varieties of single species, like dog. Dog is a species but having various varieties. We see Labrador and very different types of dogs we see. So IUCN says that every day we are losing 3 species from the earth. Okay, now coming to the species which have been extinct, or the species which are no more present on the earth are called as extinct. Okay, like in case of India, we see cheetah has been extinct from India. Now it has been introduced in India. But from your book, what you need to read, if the question comes, which of the following species in MCQs, and cheetah is the option, you will take it because it has not been updated in your book till now. Cheetah and pink-headed duck have been extinct from India. Okay, so extinct means जो विलुप्त हो गए हैं, जो गायब हो चुके हैं, which are no more present on the earth. Now endangered. What are endangered species? This extinct, endangered, vulnerable, ये सारी चीजें हम रेड डाटा बुक में पढ़ेंगे in upcoming videos. But just clearing this basics so as to make you understand some other topics. Endangered are those species which are, which are very prone to get extinct. If we do not conserve them, they may come under the category of extinct, or they may get extinct. Okay. Now what is the problem we are facing with the deforestation? It is, deforestation is caused just for human benefits. We do it for our benefits, but it is ultimately harming us because we are not seeing the second side of a coin. Okay, every coin has a 2 sides. We are just seeing the, the grass is always green on the other side. We are seeing that side. We are not seeing the another side which is harming the nature, which is, leading to the loss of biodiversity. What is happening? Why we are doing deforestation? For the development. What sort of development? Setting up industries, setting up factories, opening schools, opening, building roads, building dams. These are the kinds of development. And the most important thing, PATE, that is agriculture. We are doing agriculture, which is also, which is also dependent on the land area, which is having a lot of trees, means forest area, which we will cut down and do the agriculture. Okay, so these are the things which are basically cause of deforestation. Number 1 is development. Other than that, what else is causing loss of biodiversity, और किसकी वजह से biodiversity में जो है कमी आ रही है? क्यों? What is the next reason? First is development. We have understood in deforestation previous video. I have explained thoroughly. Now coming next part is monoculture. Monoculturing means growing one kind of crop, one kind of plant in a large area. So what happened? Different animals need different kinds of shelters, and they feed different types of on different types of fruits, vegetables, and they take shelter under different categories of plant. Birds make nest on different types of plant. So when we do monoculture, so it leads सुनने में ही लग रहा है. Mono means single, culture means growing, or to make any crop or any plant to grow on a particular place. So monoculture means single type of plant. So what had happened? The example is of Europe. In Europe, woodpecker, you must have heard about the bird named woodpecker, all time hauling the trees. They have been extinct, or they just left that particular place where monoculture was happening, and many birds got affected because of monoculture. So 2 reasons we have understood: development and monoculture. Development अपने आप में बहुत व्यापक, बहुत ही vast है. It is very, if you need to write development as reason for loss of biodiversity, you can write 2 or 3 pages, because headings are there: industry, dams, roads and agriculture. You can elaborate it as much as possible. Next reason is, next example is spotted deers. Spotted deers was, left on the Andaman Nicobar land, and they were not having any natural predators. उनको खाने वाला कोई नहीं था. So due to lack of natural predators, they proliferates a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर में बढ़ गया. And if they increase in number, naturally they eat the grass or the crops. तो ultimately वो harm करने लगे, because they were not having any natural predators. तो इस तरह से भी जो conservation होता है, unplanned conservation is also harmful. Sometimes you think अरे हमने जानवर को बचा लिया. It's not so. It is all dependent on the food chain. Everything is linked together to one another. So things get disturbed when we do any sort of change unplanned. Okay, so spotted deer, increase in a lot of number in Andaman Nicobar due to lack of the natural predators. This arrow up shows increase, down shows decrease. Like here you can see down arrow and this is up arrow. This is a shortcut. Okay, next is hunting and fishing. Hunting and fishing literally has proven very very disastrous towards the loss of biodiversity. अब तो बहुत चीज़ें कम हो गई हैं in ancient time, not ancient time, just in medieval period also लोग शिकार पे जाते थे, नील गाय को मार रहे हैं, शेर को मार रहे हैं, शेर की खाल को पहनना, शेर के मुकुट को घर में लगाना, हिरन के सींगों को लगाना, बड़ा ही प्राउड फील करते थे ऐसा करके. सो जो ये प्राउड फीलिंग थी हंटिंग और अपने आप को राजशाही दिखाने के लिए, इस पे गवर्नमेंट ने बैन लगाया और बहुत हद तक इसमें सुधार हुआ है. तो इट हैज इम्प्रूव the way of we were doing the loss to biodiversity. It has improved, but it is a cause of loss of biodiversity, hunting and fishing. Now coming to pollution. Pollution, it's of many types. What is pollution? Basically any undesirable change in the environment is called pollution. The change which I don't want and it happened, it's called undesirable change. So undesirable change are called pollutions. पोल्यूशन जैसे कि थर्मल पोल्यूशन है, या एक्वेटिक लाइफ के लिए जो सबसे ज़्यादा हार्मफुल है कि बहुत सारे थर्मल पोल्यूशंस हैं या ऑयल स्पिल्स हैं, दे डायरेक्टली रिलीजेस देयर वेस्ट टू द विदाउट processing it, they directly releases to the river bodies or water bodies, where aquatic organisms gets very much affected, and the process of bioaccumulation, biomagnification occur, which ultimately affect the whole chain, because aquatic life, many fishes are there which dependent on the aquatic, the small fishes, they catch them, and the fish which is having or accumulated a lot of pollution will be carried by the birds, and bird will keep on accumulating and will get die. So this pollution is also harming very much to the diversity or to the organisms, different types of plants. You can see that we used to throw the polythene like this only, which get accumulated on the surface of crust or any area around you, like some places there in every mall or street where people used to throw their garbage. What happens? The garbage forms a layer. As a result, water is not able to percolate, and the plants do not get the enough oxygen and do not get the enough water, which also results in the depletion of diversity, which also affect the organisms. Another and the last reason in your book is global warming. What is global warming? It is a rise of temperature of the earth. It's called global warming. It occurs because of pollutions produced from vehicles. Like vehicles are they're producing CO2 in much amount. CO2 increases the global temperature. It allows the heat radiations to come but do not allow to radiate back. As a result, the entire temperature get increased, which affect the polar regions very much. Antarctic region is affected by global warming. The ice gets melt and the organism living there get very much affected. It also leads to the loss of biodiversity. This was basic about the how biodiversity get affected and what are the causes which may cause the loss in the biodiversity, and what impact we may face. Various impacts are there. As we know that we are linked in a food chain, so each organism is dependent on one and another. So when in a chain we lose one of the organism, another will already definitely will be affected. Impact will be taught in the upcoming videos along with the red data book. Till then, stay safe, stay home. God bless you.